What is up, guys? So today I have here the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and today I'm going to be talking about my experience with this device after practically 10, 11 months of usage. So let's get started. So the reason why I said 10, 11 is because it's been like 10 and a half months, almost 11. So first off, it's been a really great experience. I love this phone. I'm just going to say that starting out. The phone did actually break. I just received it back from Samsung, who fixed it. I'll put some pictures on screen of the device before it was fixed. Samsung did fix it for free, no cost. It took 13 days, and honestly, it was a really great experience overall. So yeah, it was really great for that. And the display obviously is still working. It was a defective model, and that is why what happened to it. Something from the inside was pinching the display, which caused it to basically cause itself to die basically. But yeah, so other than that, it's been really great. And again, Samsung said this was a defective unit. So no other Galaxy Z Flip 5s, you probably, there's a 75% chance that you will not encounter that problem. I'll be having a video on the full repair process coming out probably this Saturday, which would be the 9th, I think. But yeah, so that video will be coming out soon. But yeah, so an important aspect of this device is, of course, the cameras. So the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has two cameras at the back, one selfie camera. We have a dual 12 megapixel sensor setup. I always say sensors. Dual 12 megapixel setup at the back and a single 10 megapixel sensor. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be getting, I'll put a picture of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 on screen, but you will be getting two 50 megapixel sensors. Selfie camera unknown. It might be like a 12 megapixel sensor, so definitely getting upgrades with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So if you want to wait for that, that's definitely going to be a very tempting option, and I think it looks just really good all around with those flat sides, basically like the S24 Plus. Also, with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, we now have a flat folding mechanism, which by now you should know. We have a gapless hinge, and we have a big cover display, or as Samsung is calling it, the flex window. The only gripe that I have about this flex window, again, I'm still setting everything up, is the fact that you cannot have Google Wallet. So Google Wallet, obviously, as you know, you can use to just pay wirelessly. You can do it in your phone, but you cannot access it off the cover screen. For some reason, my bank, probably because it's a junior card, does not allow you to access use Samsung Pay, so I cannot access it on the cover screen, which is just really annoying. But I think that's something that most people will not have an issue with, but just for me personally. But I do love the cover screen. It's so nice just to check notifications, access widgets, do some whatever it's called, access quick settings, turn off airplane mode, turn it back on, Bluetooth, etc. Brightness. So it's definitely really nice to have. The display is nice. The crease is actually really great, especially after they fixed it. It does look pretty noticeable on camera, but you get used to it, and then also it's just not really there, which is really nice. Bezels can definitely be thinner. But other than that, this device is really, really great. So basically, with all the major things said, can I recommend this device to you? I would definitely say yes. It's a great phone. Absolutely love it. It has good cameras, not great. It has good cameras, has a great design. I love this color. It's the mint green, and overall just a good design. But if you do, I would definitely, or if you want to, you can definitely wait for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. I think that's definitely a safe option. Again, I'll put another picture just to show you guys again of the Galaxy Z Flip 6, just so you guys can see, what you're dealing with. But yeah, so this is, of course, in the blue color of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. There obviously will be other colors. But yeah, so that's basically everything on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 for my video today. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, definitely get this phone now, or wait until the Z Flip 6, whatever you want to do. But yeah, so thanks again for watching. I'll catch you in my next one, and I'll see you then.